In the beating heart of South America lies a realm untouched by time, the Amazon rainforest. Here, every sound is a signal, every shadow a hunter. Beneath its green crown, ancient giants walk, and hidden predators wait unseen. Today, Stunopedia takes you deep into this living cathedral of life. Stretching over 5.5 million square kilometers, the Amazon is Earth's largest tropical rainforest, home to over 2.5 million insect species, 1,300 birds, 430 mammals, and untold mysteries still undiscovered. Its 390 billion trees breathe life into the planet, creating clouds that feed rivers thousands of kilometers away. But in this kingdom, survival is never guaranteed, and only the most skilled endure. Among the towering kapok trees and winding channels roam the true giants. The jaguar, muscular, elusive, and unmatched in power, rules both forest and water, striking with a bone-crushing bite. In the rivers, giant river otters hunt as a team, chattering in complex calls to outwit piranhas. Beneath the surface, the Arapaima, a living relic of the prehistoric world, rises for air, shimmering in the sun. And gliding silently through swampy lagoons, the green Anaconda, the world's heaviest snake, lies in wait. Not all rulers stand tall. In the undergrowth, the Goliath bird-eater spider ambushes unsuspecting prey with needle-like fangs. Harpy eagles patrol the treetops, diving with talons strong enough to snatch monkeys from the canopy. Electric eels release jolts powerful enough to stun caimans. Even the smallest assassins thrive. Bullet ants, whose sting is said to be the most painful on Earth. And in the leaf litter, poison dart frogs carry enough toxin to fell a predator many times their size. Every creature here is part of an intricate chain of life. The blooming orchids feed hummingbirds which pollinate the canopy. Yet, this wilderness faces its greatest challenge. Deforestation, illegal mining, and climate change threaten to silence its symphony. The Amazon is not just a rainforest. It is the lifeblood of our planet. Here on Stunopedia, we protect its giants, defend its hidden hunters, and its wild heart will keep beating for generations to come.